Hello, we are the Knowles Insurance Agency, husband and wife team Richard and Samantha Knowles. We've had the great privilege of serving Medicare beneficiaries for almost 20 years. Yee. So today I want to talk about Medicare supplements, also called Medigap plans, and how they fill in the gaps and the deductibles of stuff that Medicare doesn't cover. So you're watching this video, I'm assuming that you're 65 or you're going to be turning 65 and you have your red, white, and blue Medicare card. You'll have your name, you'll have a Medicare ID, and then you'll have the Part A, which is the hospitalization portion, and you'll have the B, which is the doctor services, the doctor portion, and you'll have effective dates. That's going to be the effective date of your coverage. First thing that I want you to notice is that Part A and B do not cover everything. There are deductibles, co-pays, and co-insurance that you're still responsible for up to no maximum out of your pocket. So if there's no limit on what could come out of your pocket, that could end up being a lot. People choose to limit their out-of-pocket exposure by enrolling in either a Medicare Advantage plan or a Medicare supplement plan, also called the Medigap. And it's called a Medigap because it fills in the gaps that Medicare doesn't cover. There are other types of coverage that you could have and you wouldn't need a Medigap, like employer coverage. You could have spouse's coverage. You could be a dependent on your spouse's employer coverage. You could have retirement coverage, union, VA, or Medicaid. But we're only going to talk about Medigap plans today. So Medigap plans work with original Medicare, and they have no network restrictions. Have you noticed on your red, white, and blue Medicare card, it does not have any network designations. There is no HMO and there is no PPO on your Medicare ID. That's because Original Medicare offers nationwide coverage and flexibility to see any provider, any specialist that accepts Medicare. There are no referrals needed. The Medigap plan supplements Original Medicare, so it offers the same exact flexibility for you to see any provider of your choosing. Each Medigap letter offers the same set of standardized benefits no matter what company offers the plan. So, a Plan G would be the exact same set of benefits no matter which company you purchase it from. And depending on which plan you select, the Medigap plans will cover co-pays, deductibles, co-insurance, or a combination of all three. Although Medigap plans have standardized benefits, the insurance companies can charge different premiums. And that's based on how they set their rates. Some factors are age, zip code, tobacco use, household members, and some are simply based on the cost of living. So let's say you chose a Plan G. For a 65-year-old individual, the average premium is about $120. You pay that premium directly to the insurance company that you bought the plan from. Now, let's note, this does not replace Part B. The majority of people pay $135.50 for Part B. You have to have and keep your Part B to have a Medicare supplement. So the Medigap premium is in addition to the Part B premium. Medigap plans are guaranteed renewable. I love this part. A GAP plan renews month after month after year as long as premiums are paid. So if you pay your premiums monthly, every time you make a premium payment, your policy renews. If you pay quarterly, your policy renews every time it receives a payment. There is no open enrollment period, annual enrollment period in which you have to do anything to renew your Medigap plan. Again, the plan simply renews every time a premium is paid. Also, the insurance companies can never terminate your Medigap plan, not due to claims, not due to anything other than you stop paying your premium. Also, Medigap plans travel with you if you go on vacation and you get sick, or if you permanently move to another state. It's like a life insurance policy. If you live in Minnesota and you buy a life insurance policy and move to Florida, you don't have to get another life insurance policy in Florida. You just take the life insurance policy with you. It travels with you. So does the Medigap plan. Medigap plans also can offer additional benefits that are not covered by original Medicare, like up to $50,000 if you travel to a foreign country. Now note, a Medigap plan does not have a drug plan built in. Those are the Medicare Advantage plans. Those are different. So if you want drug coverage, you'll have to go get a separate, standalone Part D, also called a drug plan. Let's do a quick summary of the benefits of a Medigap. Number one, a Medigap offers nationwide coverage and flexibility for you to see any provider that accepts Medicare. Number two, no referrals are ever needed with a Medigap. Number three, there's no enrollment period. It's not the annual enrollment, open enrollment. There is no enrollment period, and there's no action you ever have to take to renew your policy. Number four, guaranteed renewable. These plans are guaranteed to renew month after month, year after year, as long as premiums are paid on time. Number five, insurance companies can never terminate your Medigap policy due to your health status, nor can they decrease or change your plan's benefits. And number six, Medigap plans offer additional benefits like foreign travel if you venture outside the U.S. We are the Knowles Insurance Agency, and I'm Samantha Knowles. Give us a call anytime.